Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use futures on Robinhood. First, ensure your Robinhood account is approved for futures trading, which requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. You'll need to navigate to the futures section within the app to begin exploring available contracts. It's crucial to understand the underlying assets and contract specifications before making any trades. Always start with a clear trading plan and risk management strategy. When you select a futures contract, pay close attention to its details. For example, an E-mini S&P 500 futures contract represents $50 per point. The margin requirement, which is the capital needed to open a position, can be a small fraction of the total contract value. This leverage means a small price change can lead to substantial profit or loss. Always review the contract specifications carefully. To place a trade, first select the specific futures contract you wish to trade. Then, choose your desired quantity and order type, such as a limit order to control your entry price. Before confirming, thoroughly review the order details, including the estimated margin impact and any associated fees. Once placed, actively monitor your position and be ready to adjust your strategy as market conditions evolve. Risk management is key. Effective risk management is paramount when trading futures. Always consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant adverse price movements. Similarly, define profit targets and use take-profit orders to lock in gains. When you're ready to exit a position, simply place an opposite trade for the same contract and quantity. For instance, if you bought 2 contracts, sell 2 contracts to close.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.